Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, Friday, that is 21st May. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So for 27th May monthly expiry contract, the max pain level is currently at 14,900. So based on tomorrow trade, we will get an idea whether max pain level it shifts up or shifts down. So max pain level just tells us that if market was to expire at this level, 14,900 on next Thursday, in that scenario, option buyers, both call and put buyers, they're going to suffer huge losses as large percentage of options they expire worthless. If we see the overall open interest data for the monthly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of calls are at 15,000 strike and highest amount of puts are at 14,500 strike, which gives us a 500 point range for the index for the next week. And if you were to see what happened intraday, the change in open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 15,000 strike, followed by 15,100 strike, and you will see that highest amount of puts they were written at 14,700 and 14,800 level. If we analyze the Nifty index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above its open, which is 14,481 level. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that it is again under control of buyers as it is trading above its opening price, which is 14,756 level. So on the shorter term time frames, we'll look for buying opportunity based on larger time frames. However, if you see the price structure on the daily time frame, here you will see that we have a conflict with larger time frames. If you would see in terms of price structure, we have been making lower highs and lower lows. So on the daily time frame, market is in a downtrend. However, on the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of buyers, and on the daily time frame, in terms of price structure, it is currently under control of sellers. So we would have to see based on tomorrow's opening print, if it's trade above the opening print, we'll look for buying opportunities, and if it trades below the daily open, in that scenario we would look for selling opportunities. But in terms of probabilities, the high probability trade is going to be on the long side. However, in terms of price structure on the daily time frames, make no doubt about it that it is in a downtrend. So as we are prepared for both the scenarios, to the downside as well as upside, so for scenario for tomorrow for us is going to be, we'll look for buying opportunity above 14,906, for potential levels at 14,998, 15,069 level, and potentially 15,119. And below 14,884, that is today's lows, we'll look for potential levels of 14,834, 14,771, and potentially 14,699 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 14,906 to 14,884 on the index. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for today are Praj Industries, Max Health, Reliance, and Adani Enterprises. So in Praj Industries, we'll look for buying opportunity above 394.5 or selling opportunity below 371.5 levels. Second stock is Max Health. In this, we'll look for buying opportunity above 228.8 level or selling opportunity below 222.9 levels. Third stock is Reliance. We'll look for buying opportunity above 2011 levels or selling opportunity below 1980.9 levels. And our final stock is Adani Enterprises. In this, we'll look for buying opportunity above 1320.1 level or selling opportunity below 1283.9 levels. And all these stocks, they have formed inside candles on the daily time frame. So inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So it is a neutral price, neutral stock watch list. That is, will look to enter positions if either side of the range breaks. If neither side range breaks tomorrow, in that scenario, we'll not be making any trades in these stocks. And I would like to inform you that I would be posting a blog post which would highlight our long or short biased watch list as well. This is the neutral price watch list. However, I would be posting a biased long or short watch list of stocks which we would be tracking tomorrow. And this blog post I would be posting around 9:30 to 9:45 p.m. tonight. Finally, I like to summarize this video by telling you that if market trades above 14,906 tomorrow, in that scenario, we'll look for 14,998 levels on the index, and below 14,884, we'll look for 14,834 levels on the index. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 500 points, and the max pain for 27th May monthly expiry is at 14,900 levels. And our neutral stock watch list comprises of Adani Enterprises, Reliance, Max Health, and Praj Industries. So we'll look for position in these stocks if either side of the range breaks, else we'll not be making any trades in these stocks. And I'll repeat again that around 9:30 or 9:45 p.m. I would be posting a blog post in which I would be sharing our biased long or short stock watch list. So do subscribe to my blog as well. And finally, I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button and share this video. Thank you for watching.